How we doing, folks? I am Travis Smith at Mount Comfort RV. You may have seen my Winnebago Solis 59PX walkthrough before, but today I've got two units here. I've got a 2021 Winnebago Solis 59P and a 2021 Winnebago Solis 59PX. So we're going to walk through the P and we're going to talk about some of the differences and obviously some of the similarities. So both units being on the Ram ProMaster chassis with a 3.6 liter V6 giving you 280 horsepower. That's not going to be a difference, but many things are. This one's a bit shorter at 19 foot 9 inches. Also a bit shorter in height at 8 foot 11 inches. Not with the pop top up, obviously. Quite a bit taller that way. So let's go inside. Well, first, before we go inside, see you got your LP hookup down here and an off-on switch. Right here you've got a water station, so you can run a hose out your main door here, which is kind of nice. Step on in. 12-volt refrigerator. Here's your battery disconnect. Got some power here, USB, and some light switches. Here is your ladder up to probably one of the coolest things about this coach, but I don't think the coolest thing. You got sleeping for two up here. Can you see up there all right? Pretty awesome. If you spin around to your left a little bit, Tony, here is a power, oh, see my hand, and USB. So you can charge devices while you're up there, or the kids, or whoever is up there. Right here you got a couple automotive grade seats at your dinette. This ladder moves out of the way, obviously. These seats will swivel around, and then this table comes out and you've got a nice little place to eat, play cards, whatever you choose to do. Fair amount of storage up top there. This unit, both units, have 220 watts of solar on board, and you're able to upgrade that. Truma Combi, standard across both. Very easy to use. This is for your heat and your water heat. So your coach heat, basically you just go in here, click that, set it to where you want it to be. Come back out, go to your water. Obviously we have it turned off right now because we're not using it, but you would turn that on, set your water to what you want to be. There's Boost, Eco, and Hot, I believe is the other one. So try and take that hot shower, set it on Boost, go in there, get you a hot shower. Outside of that, put it on Eco, and it's going to save you a little bit of water. Over here, oh, meant to put these things up. We'll get that out of the way. I like this sticker, Meet the Solis here, so it kind of gives you everything you need to see or need to know on that. 2-burner cooktop stove. Here, little extension, prep space, cutting board, whatever you want that to be. Some power, drawers, storage beneath. Here is your Eco Hot. So cool thing about this, and this is standard across both, is that you can set this to preheat, turn your hot water on, and it's just going to circulate through its system until the water is hot. Once it's hot, it'll let you know. You turn it on normal, comes out of your faucet. That way you're not filling up your gray tank unnecessarily. You're not wasting any water or anything like that. Handy dandy sight glass over here with a light. I don't know if you can see down here, Tony. So you can always just kind of keep an eye on your water. Very simple. Little towel hook, the Winnebago sign, I like that. Here is your wet bath. So I turned on that Truma Combi right before we did this video. I can already feel the heat in here. If you look down here, Tony, you can see that you get heat into your shower / toilet, which is pretty amazing. This does double as a curtain rod, or a not necessarily a curtain, but a closet. You got a a rod there if you want to use this as a closet. Don't want to use it as a shower. It is pretty small, but that coolest thing about this coach I was talking about earlier, still to come. Back here, oh, that toilet does swivel around. It's a cassette toilet as well, 5-gallon capacity. So on the outside of the coach, you just pull that out, take it and dump it, put it back in here. No worry about a big nasty sewer hose, nothing like that. It's just in a little cassette. Back here is where your sleeping is. Now there is a step up right here. I am 5'11", so just to illustrate that, on this step there's storage underneath. It's going to reduce your clearance a little bit. Down here and through most of the area where you're going to want to stand in here, there's plenty of room for me. Up here, this is where you're going to sit and or sleep. So they've put this handy dandy workstation / table, and this right here can move onto this side or this side. You can sit here, do work, put it on this side, open your doors to the mountain view. Good grief, what a beautiful office you have, right? When you're not using it, put it up here. You can also obviously sit and eat at that or do whatever you want at the table. I'm going to set this down. Sorry to get in your way, Tony. Here is your bed. Oh, mercy. I should have had this prepared. Either way, very simple setup, just like that. Now you've got plenty of sleeping back there. You also have access to your storage compartments on either side of the bed. There is power in this one over here, as well as USB ports. Cool thing about this, and I talked about it a little bit, well, quite a bit actually, in the first video I did on the Solis. Awesome thing about Winnebago is everything, even down to these cushions, right? There's part numbers on everything. So these cushions, the shower walls, pretty much anything in a Winnebago, or the majority of the coach, can be ordered directly from Winnebago using those part numbers. So in 30 years, whereas in maybe in a different brand, you might be trying to go through a third party, something of that nature, to figure out where they got that specific part or piece. Not with Winnebago. They make almost the entire thing in-house, and you can order it from them, which is pretty great. So I'm going to take you, we'll go around back. I'm going to open the back doors. I'm going to show you a pretty awesome thing about the Solis. And if you're doing your Solis research, unless this is the first video you've watched, you probably already know, pretty awesome. Do have a backup camera up there. So this is, I don't know why I was reaching under there, the rear annex of the Solis. So underneath here, that storage I was talking about, put whatever you want down there. Here is a water station. So this is where you're going to do your winterization. Also doubles as there's a hookup for a spray nozzle or a shower nozzle. Why would they put a shower nozzle back there? Oh, because the interior shower, the wet bath, is tiny. So they give you this, you put this little locking pin in here. With this unit, you get a nice shower curtain. Shower curtain goes here, spray nozzle plugs into there. You got an outdoor shower, right? Plenty of room. I'm a big bodied individual, right? And I got plenty of room to move around out here that I don't necessarily have in there. So using that for the restroom, for the toilet, great, perfectly fine. For a shower, I don't know, right? That's going to be up to you. If you're smaller than me, might not be an issue. But back here, oh, you've got another place to shower. Or you can use that to hang dry clothes, little extra seating area. You can also take that, you can take it, it's got magnets, flip it up over the top, and now you've got a little awning, little seating area, nice little privacy. Another cool thing, these doors flip all the way around. So a lot of your B vans are going to stop, like right here. The hinges they put on this, they flip all the way around, out of the way, and now it just opens everything up, right? So 3,500 pound towing capacity. That's a 380 pound hitch. 3,500 pounds you can pull, 380 pound hitch. What else, Tony? Oh, this is a nice thing, and this is on the door, the sliding door as well. But these curtains right here, this netting, it's not like a lot of B vans and really any RV. That thing's not even looking at me. Look, there we go. These right here, kind of rattle free, other than the zipper, right? A lot of B vans have the pull down. They can come off the track. The springs can go bad. Any number of things. They slap around. You let go of them too fast, they rip out of your hand. Not these. So these are very simple, very basic, which is really what Winnebago was going for with this coach. Basically just unroll these, you zip that down. Now you've got your screened in area. You've got keep the bugs out, but you can sleep in there, get a breeze, sit in there on your computer or whatever you do when you're out camping. I think everybody camps a little bit differently. I spend most of my time by the fire, seeing what I can cook or burn. Cast iron, that's what I like. Let's go around. Also, look in there, Tony. See the windows have the same type of thing. Where are you going? So, come over here. So these, instead of having now these open, obviously you got screens, but instead of having the accordion style or the pull down shades or roll down shades, you just zip it up, completely blackout, and rattle free. So when you're going down the road, not all that clanging around and slapping the windows. And if you accidentally kick it or put your elbow against it in the middle of the night, you don't got to worry about ruining those blinds, and now you got to order more from who knows where, because Winnebago makes those too, but they won't be ruined by your elbow. Now, that is the Winnebago 59P, the Solis 59P. So what's the big difference from the P to the PX? Well, 18 inches for one. Come around here, Tony. So you still have, basically, from here up on this coach, I don't know if can you see me? Okay, from here up is going to be pretty much the same. There's some subtle differences such as power mirrors. So manual mirrors on the P, power mirrors with defrost on the PX option. The PX also has a generator. The P does not. No generator. Generator, no generator. But this is a big difference back here. So what do they do with that 18 inches? Well, one, that gives you enough room for an air conditioner. So roof mounted air conditioner on the PX, just your standard dash AC on your P. Now, with the P being small, or smaller rather, that's plenty, right? You have a vent in the back, you got plenty of ventilation, you got your dash AC, dash heat, you also have your Truma Combi for your heat, but it's going to be plenty to cool your coach. This one you got a little bit more distance for it to cover, not too much, but added luxury of the AC. Check this out though. So you see this area back here? This is like a gear garage. Well, not like it is a gear garage. So these little guys come out and you can move them. Daggone it. You can move them. Well, don't let me move them. There we go. But you can to wherever you want. And they're up the side and even on the ceiling there. So you can put bikes in here, extra luggage in here, whatever. Or you just got a little bit more standing space. So same thing on the back, shower curtain, same blinds, same everything. On the PX, it's on the P with the exception of, let's cover them together, and I want you to put them over here next to me, Tony. Not the people, but these things I'm saying, right? Generator, air conditioner, roof mounted air conditioner, 18-inch gear locker, power mirrors. Good? All right, now a couple other things we'll talk about just really quick, and then you guys can take it all in, the beauty, and we'll be done. So these are obviously both the same color. These are the deep cherry. In the original video that I did on the Solis, we had it in the white. Both are very nice. One thing you can't really see, well, you might be able to, but I doubt you can see without being out here next to me, is that this deep cherry has like a flake in it. It's almost like a bass boat whenever you're up close and the sun's on it. Very nice, very pretty. The white is a flat white, also looks really good. You can order that in both. The interior is going to remain the same in terms of the colors, the fabrics and whatnot between both units. It's the standard. I think that that's about it. If you have any questions whatsoever on the Winnebago Solis, you can call me at 317-898-6676. That's Mount Comfort RV's phone number. Make sure you ask for Travis, because I'm the one that told you to do it after all, right? So call me. You can email me, which is probably the best way to get a hold of me, at tsmith@mountcomfortrv.com. That's tsmith@mountcomfortrv.com. It's right here. Now, Tony, work your magic and make it bigger. No, oh my God, that's too big. That's too big. Okay. Another good way to get a hold of me is just come on down. So we're at Interstate 70 and Mount Comfort Road in Greenfield, Indiana. Come by, obviously ask for Travis. We'll come out and take a look at these. I have 2 in stock right now. Actually, I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. They could be gone by then, or I might have more. Who knows? You can also find me on Facebook. So Mount Comfort RV, our Facebook page. We've got a ton of followers. Tony, the man behind the camera, does an excellent job of keeping our inventory and everything else up to date, and great videos on there. And you can find me at Travis Sells RVs on Facebook as well. I post a lot about B vans, small class Cs. It's just my favorite category of the RVs. So look us up, watch the video, like, subscribe, ask any questions in the comments sections. That's pretty much it. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.